Alright, so the new axle's in. If you're going to jack up the vehicle, make sure the only way you're going to get this axle out of here is if you jack up the both control arms, so this is as straight as possible right here. Otherwise, the axle is going to bind if this is not compressed. So you have to compress the suspension, or at least the control arms, enough to get the axle out and then put the new one in. But other than that, very easy. It just pops out and then you pull it straight out down. And then the new one, it just barely fits in between here. You have to make sure like the flat part of the clamp is against the stabilizer bar thing and not the raised edge. But other than that, went right in. So no problem at all. We'll see if the other side's any different, but I'm hoping it's not. So that's it. You just tighten everything down. And away you go. We'll put the brakes on next, put everything back together.